Today I will be creating a card using the Glorious Blooms paper pad from this month's Paper Pad Club of the Month. Here are all the images from the pattern paper that you'll get. There are plenty of florals as well as dots and speckles. This paper pad also comes with 4 sheets of cut aparts, which I will use today. I will also be using the card sketch that I designed this month, and I will show you that in just a little bit. So I really love the blues in this paper pad as well as the dark red. I just think it doesn't have to be for Valentine's, it can be for any occasion. I'm also bringing in the Misty Moonlight cardstock by Stampin' Up. It has this beautiful muted blue tone to it, and I will also be using enamel dots from Jamie's shop. So here are the cut aparts that I put through my brother's scan and cut. These are all the cut aparts that come with the 1 sheet of the 6x6 paper, and again you'll get 4 of those sheets. So here is my card sketch number 3. Now, the card sketch is inspired by using your scraps, but it honestly does not have to be scraps. I think that this sketch is great for showcasing the different patterns on a pattern paper. For this one, for example, I decided to pick patterns that will complement my cut aparts. So I decided to pick the leaves, and then I chose a plain pattern in the center, and then I chose a cool gray or white background so that my images will stand out more. This, you can't tell from this video, I'm not sure if you can, but I can't. But this pattern paper here that I'm putting in the front, it actually has circles, but it'll be, you know, blocked by all the florals that I'll be putting there. And I didn't put the circle that I originally had on my sketch because I felt like it didn't really need it, because as well as because I have all these cut aparts that I'll be collaging. Now here's a little tip that I learned while I've been making these cards this month, is if I wanted to center those 3 strips, I'll start gluing them down in the middle first, and then the top and bottom, or bottom and top. And I did put dimensionals on the rose and the sentiment. I think it's really great that this paper pad comes with all these cut aparts as well as sentiments, which really helps. The other sentiment reads with sympathy, and this one is happy birthday. I chose happy birthday for all 4 of my cards that I created today, and I'm only showing you how I made one because all of them are the same. So I was like, I wonder if these cards would look okay because they're all different leaves and foliage and flowers. But you know what? It actually works, and I really love how it turned out. And that hint of red, like, it's not really overpowering because of the red in the background with the leaves. I just think it really works, as well as the happy birthday. And then I'm going to put the last red flower inside to dress up my card. And I think it looks perfect. And then I'm going to finish off my card with enamel dots. I chose the pale pink one, and here's how it looks. Doesn't it look beautiful? And now I'm going to show you the rest of the cards. 2 of the cards I decided to use the white enamel dots, so here's how it looks. You'll have to let me know in the comment section below if you like it with the pink or the white, or if you like both. Well, I thank you so much for watching and spending a little bit of your time with me, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.